So this is the room, and this is the view. So that is where that is Hatu Peak. Yeah, the highest point is Hatu Peak. That's where the temple is. We are in Narkanda at Hatu Valley homestay. And look at this view. So this is day one. We've reached here on day one, and this is what we get. Beautiful. So these are all, if you see, these are all apple trees, and they're covered by net everywhere on the way. There are acres and acres of farm planted with apple trees, and they're all covered by net. That is because if there is a hailstorm, usually it happens here, and so the hailstorm destroys the plantation, apple plantation, and to prevent that, they are all netted. Beautiful place.